Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training video. Here we are in Elizabeth. I believe we're in Elmora, the Gale Towers 140, and we're looking at a fire escape. Seeing, if you were walking by and you were doing some other inspections for some reason and this fire escape caught your eye, what would be some of the things that you could write a violation on? First one you got to look at is paint. Does that have more paint than rust or more rust than paint? Believe it or not, this fire escape, even though it looks a little crappy, it's got more paint than rust, so I can't write a rust violation or a paint violation on this fire escape. So let's look at some of the other things that are key here, and that is structural. If you look at this treads, you always go to the treads first. Original bolts on there. Original bolts that have been here for 75 plus years. They're bolts or they're rivets or both. And it's impossible for this fire escape in 75 years never to have been refurbished, minimally on the staircase. And if you look straight up, you can see already all the treads are already falling. So that's the first thing that happens. There's these false bolts. Even though that tread right there is showing the head of the bolt is still on the flat. So this is not only going to hurt somebody coming down, but firemen going up. So right away, whenever you have a fire escape this old, 75 plus years, with all the original bolts still on the entire fire escape, it's impossible for it to pass structurally. So the connections on the supports, all original bolts. The connections on up above, all original bolts. So I would fail this fire escape just on the fact that we think there is bad bolts, and the fallen treads is an indication that it's turned from a deficiency issue into a life safety issue, because not only that tread's ready to go, we've got some others that are ready to go, but nobody knows where they are and what they are. And they're either going to hurt or kill a tenant or hurt or kill a fireman through those treads failing. The other things that we're looking for, look at the cement in the wall, this spalling. Every connection into this wall is a hole and it's open. So it's got 100% problems with the connections into the wall. Look at the railing and the ladder coming down. It doesn't have a release arm. Look at the cabling. The cabling is old and original. The fire escape must have a release arm so that it drops 2 to 3 feet per second. So we've got several structural issues on this entire fire escape that would write the violation, and always write the violation: repair, paint, test. Repair, paint, test. That repair word will automatically force a review by an evaluation by a professional fire escape inspector or a structural engineer. If you have any further questions on this video and you want further training or questions, please call us at fireescapeengineers.com or 866-649-0333. As always, you can go look at this and many other videos just like this on the YouTube channel, Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training. Free videos there, hundreds of them from all over the country, on the proper way to write a violation. And you can always call us for free fire escape awareness program for your city, and we'll send you free confidence tests, free fire escape tags, fire escape repair procedures, as well as load test criteria. Give us a call.